Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. We are doing today exercise 1C question number 3. In this question you are given two triangles which have the same area and you have to find the value of x. To solve this question we simply apply the formula for area and put the two areas equal to each other. Let's start it. Now the area for the first rectangle will be x times 2x minus 4, and this will be equal to the area of the second rectangle, which is x plus 1 times 5 minus x. Now you have got this equation, and if you will solve this equation you will get the value of x. It will become 2x square minus 4x is equal to 5x minus x square plus 5 minus x. 2x square minus 4x is equal to 5x and minus x is 4x. 4x minus x square plus 5. On rearranging you will get 2x square minus 4x minus 4x plus x square minus 5 equal to 0. On further simplification you will get 3x square minus 8x minus 5 equal to 0, and here you have got a quadratic equation. Now you can find the values of a, b and c, which are a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to minus 5. Apply the quadratic formula. You know x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Now you can apply the values, and it will be x equal to minus b is minus 8, plus minus b square minus 8 square minus 4 times a is 3 and c is minus 5 whole under root whole over 2 times a is 3. On simplification you will get x is equal to 8 plus minus 64 minus plus 60, and x equal to 8 plus minus under root 124 over 6, and on simplification you will get x equal to, on simplification you will get 3.19. This is the answer. We will take only the positive value because this is distance and distance is never negative. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.